Okay, as always, I gotta set things up, make sure everything's visible. This is gonna be a shorter stream, maybe an hour. Hold on. Working on getting the links out. So trying to fit everything on my screen. I need a third monitor really badly. How do I, okay, wait, maybe I can put it right in the middle. Boom. Hello. And then okay. So I believe I was working on slimes. I do need to add like ammo later. Oh, I need to add the stationary bouncing next. I'm just gonna close everything and open things as I actually need them because it's becoming a bit overkill. So, enemies, slime. Wait, no, it's under AI actually. Slime AI. So it's right here. I need math and I need the time in the game. I don't want them to be all in sync actually. I'm just gonna need random. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit for you guys since people keep asking for that. But I can't see as much when I zoom in, which is a bit annoying for me. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put the scale, the horizontal scale, onto like on a side wave. Actually, horizontal and vertical, but they're gonna be inverse. So I need to add a timer to here. Here's this thing. Self.action timers master. Actually, I'm gonna just add a master timer here. I can use for anything. So when it does this, is that and self.action timers master plus equals dt because it needs to keep track of time for itself. Self.unique stats equals that self. Init stuff stats. So this is going to be squish rate equals random.random 50 to 100 divided by 10. I think that's good. I'm not going to zoom in anymore because I can't see. Just turn up quality. You should be able to turn it up more than you can for other videos because the bit rate's very low. Like I'm streaming at 1.6 megabits per second. I can see it right here. If you can't, if your download speed's less than 1.6 megabits per second, you're probably watching in 240p. Yeah, like. With my streaming bitrate, if you're watching YouTube in the first place, you should probably be able to watch this stream in 1080p. Your Wi-Fi blocks live streams? What? Does it not block the rest of you? Oh, I guess you can't hear me. Huh. That's sad. Oh, I forgot. I need to rebalance my audio because when I laugh or something or get a little bit too loud, it peaks. Anyways. So here we go. Self.action timers master. That's gonna be the math dot sine. Put that on a sine wave. Plus well, no, by self dot unique stats squish rate. Is that it? Oh, it's gonna be +1 divided by 2 to put it on the proper scale, and then actually, do I need to divide it that far? I'll do plus. How much should it squish? That's the real question. Actually, I'm gonna put in here a thing for sine, scaled sine, num, start, end. So return math.sine of the number +1, because sine goes -1 to 1, divided by 2, and then plus start okay, so now I have to divide this to get the proper scale again. Wait, no, it needs to be multiplied by the difference. So end minus start plus start. I think that'll do it. Well, there's a good way to test this. Python import math. Okay, so I can do num equals 0 and equals 5. Start equals 3. It should go 3 to 5. No, that's not right. So it's starting on... Oh no, that is right, because it starts in the middle. So it's actually, I'm looking for pi over 2. Delete, delete, delete. So num equals math.pi divided by 2. And then num equals math.pi by 3 divided by 2. Yeah, okay, we're good. Snail's House, yep. This is one of the very old albums. Like I bought all of them and I'm playing them from my computer directly. So yeah, this is a very old album. But, okay, anyways. So now I have this, and I can, wait, no, here, I do have the core function, right? Yep. Which means this can just be scaled sine, and then I'm gonna steal this thing, right? Wait, that part right there. So it's going to be, wait, no, this is num, and I want it to scale from 0.8 to 1.2. It's vertical, and then horizontal needs to do the opposite. So I actually just take this and go, wait. Yeah, plus math.pi divided by, no, just plus math.pi, I think. I think that'll do it. Yep. I think it's a little bit exaggerated, so I'm gonna tone it down a bit. So it's gonna do 9 and 1.1. That's 0. Oops. No, it's wrong file. Give me slimes. Where are the slimes? There we go. The horizontal position isn't correct. It needs to be grounded, kinda. Oops. I can fix that later. It's not a huge deal right now. I do want them to be a bit slower in their squishing. So I can just change this number to be 30 to 50. Not 500, oops. Yeah, it's significantly slower now. Slimes. So now I need to do the AI for these things. Did I make the animations? Yeah. Yeah, it's top down. Okay, so I wanna need to add a function here for getting distances. I know, wrong thing. I mean, entity. Def get distance self target. Return math.square root of target dot position 0 plus self dot position 0. No, it's minus. Square it and then do it for y. Gonna need this to do the AI properly, or the way I want it to do it, and then def check range self target range. Actually, no, I'm gonna call it in range. Return self.get distance target is more than or equal to no, less than equal to range. So I can check if something's in range of something else. Oh, I forgot to square this. That would have been bad. That's a lot of functions. I mean, it's object-oriented programming. Actually, no, I mean, even functional programming, you're gonna have a lot of functions. Most of these just wrappers? No, they actually do things. This is a lot of the basic functionality for the entities. Okay, so the slime's going to do different things depending on where the player is. I'm going to wait. If the player is not within a certain range, it's gonna try and go around. So where are we? here's the jump. Jump. So if self.parent.inRange self.parent. Wait, no, self.game.entities.players 0.position. I don't know what the range should be. Hold on. I do have a configuration file for these things. Slime attack range. How many pixels should that be? I'm gonna do 100. So AI config attack range. One too many commas would have freaked out. So if it's not in range, then angle angle offset equals random.randint 50 to 100 divided by 100 by math.pi. No, let's do 20 to 50. You don't want it to be more than a quarter off. That should be good. And then if random.randint 0 to 1 angle plus equals angle offset. Otherwise, go the other direction. So this just makes it go a little bit off to the side if it's not in range. Otherwise, it'll go towards normally. Jump force equals jump. Yeah, equals random.randint 90 to, or how about 50 to 100 and 10. I want to be a little bit more consistent than that. 110, 120, divided by 100, and then I can multiply the jump by the jump force here, is to get a little bit more variance in how far this thing jumps. And then I'm going to shorten the jump force if it's not in range. I don't want it to jump as much, so that equals 0.7. Climb out of range. Dampening. I think that should be good. Apply AI config. Don't like the quotation marks. Here we go. I just gotta find some. Okay. What did it pass it? It should have the position attribute. Oh, oops. No, I just gotta do that. It's like it goes off to the side a bit. And then once it's in a certain range, so like I think it's 100 pixels, it'll go straight towards me. This should be in range. Yeah. So these are meant to be super easy enemies. I'm gonna increase the range though. And then the dampening, so 40. And then I want the base jump force to be higher because I want it to go towards me. I'm gonna increase the drag a bit as well. Actually, I don't think the drag needs to go up. So yeah, they're gonna do their own thing until they get into the right range. That's good. They're not particularly threatening, which is good for slimes. So next, I gotta be able to kill them with shots. So the real question is, how am I gonna do health in this game? Should you know how much health things have left? I'm trying to think of other games that do this. I think most of the games of this genre don't really show you the health they have left. I think if they've got a lot of, I think normally it's for bosses, maybe. I actually don't know what the Binding of Isaac does, which is kind of like closest in terms of like just the combat, I'm guessing. No, not quite. Because the Binding of Isaac has like small rooms and stuff like this is going to have. But it's going to be closer from a top level to Enter the Gungeon. Enter the Gungeon only has health bars for the bosses, I think. And that might be a good option. So I do need to add health to these things. So, do all entities have health? No. I should have made like an entity group that, like an entity class that has health specifically. And has like other attributes of living things. That would have been useful. Oh well. I'll just stick it on here. Because I don't want to give like arrow item drops health or something. So self dot health equals, oh. Health. I think the base arrows should do like 10 damage or something, maybe 5. Yeah. Wait, does... I'm trying to think of, How does Enter the Gungeon accurately represent the different powers of the weapons? Because I'm pretty sure they're not the same. Oh, I guess you pick up on it from context. So the base arrows are going to do 10 damage, so I'm gonna give them 30 health. Base health. Equals entity data base health. Okay, reading chat real quick. Why am I coding this late? Well, I don't want to sit around and do nothing. I don't normally go to bed this early. I am very tired, though. Can make a video about dynamic lighting. Are you talking about raycasting? That's what I assume you're talking about. If you look in my 2020 Pygame projects video, there's actually a link to a library I wrote for that in the description. Yeah, what am I doing today? I mean, I'm going to sleep in like an hour and a half or something. I went places today. Do I know other languages? I know a bunch. Hold on. I know all of these. Well, like, it depends, because the only ones I can do off the top of my head right now are C, JavaScript, and Python. The other ones, I definitely need some references, but I've used them quite a bit in the past, so I can pick them up very quickly. Yeah. I've learned all these other languages, but I just don't have a use for them. I pretty much just use Python for everything. I don't find any reason to use anything else. But there are other languages I've used that I don't have listed here, like GDScript or C#, because I just don't have enough experience with them. Am I going commercial with this one? I don't know. Can you play the isometric game? That's just go to where my games are. That's free. Okay, this is the Snail's House song that's got like, how many million, like, is it 100 million now? I don't know. This is super popular track. Okay, anyways, health. So the question is, should the enemies look for the arrows, or should the arrows look for the enemies? That's the real question. I think the arrows should look for the enemies. And okay, it's like it should have like projectile types, and maybe I should tag them or something so it knows which groups to hit. I should have had like entity groups, like assign a tag to different entities, and I know which one it'll apply to. Do I have arrows in here? Arrow.py. So on update here, it should be able to go through all of the enemies. I think what it's going to end up being is like arrows are friendly projectiles, and I'll have a different name for other stuff. It's gonna be a bit scuffed, but I mean, in the scope I've got, it's not gonna be a huge deal. It's not gonna work with anyone. So I just do that, and then if enemy.rect.collide point, is this image centered, or is it, how is this thing even rendered? Because it should be rendered by the tip. Oh wait, no, it is centered, isn't it? Yeah, it's centered, and I think, hold on here. Gotta take a look at my images. Projectiles. So my arrow here, I have the point right here at the center. So the center of the image will be the location. It says collide point with self.position. It's a hit. That's it. And then enemy.damage. And then I guess an amount. I need a specific system for dealing damage. Arrow types. Oh, it's already got damage on it. Self damage. How much damage did I put on it? And where is it pulling that data? Oh, I hard coded it. Let's put 10. Let's put 10. That's flying speed. I need like a firing speed. Actually, no, the arrow types don't need that. So enemy.damage, damage, okay, so now I just need to add the where's, oh, enemies right here. So I need to add the part where it can take damage, so def damage self amount self.health minus equals amount if self.health is less than 0. Oh, it needs, I kind of want to have an angle associated with the damage. I'm gonna have like base hit info, so self.hit equals none, and then I'll switch it to a list if it's hit. So self.hit equals wait. So it's gonna be amount and angle, and then self.dead equals false. Self.dead equals true. Self.die. Actually, I'll just do that. Def die self. I'm gonna do other things here. What I'm going to do is the child classes can chain onto this and apply other effects. I'm gonna leave it a bit dirty for now. This needs to be cleared. Actually, the last hit. And then the AI can process it and clear it, which is what I'm about to implement. Oh, you know what? The arrows should be able to stick to entities. That would be interesting. So I'm gonna clear the last hit thing here. I'll put it at the bottom or right here. If that, no, if self.last hit, and just clear it. So I want the arrows to stick when you hit an NC. So self.speed equals 0. How do I? Okay. So once speed is 0, it assumes it's stuck. Self.stuck2 equals none. And I can do self.stuck2 equals enemy. And now I can just attach it to that. But what happens if I... Oh, it needs to, I'm gonna have memory leaks if I'm not careful about this. So, right here, if self.stuck 2 and self.stuck2.dead. Well, it's gonna be not. Then identity subject position. Actually, no, this needs to be a list. Set to that, and then like an offset. So it's going to be enemy dot position 0 minus self dot position 0. And then I gotta do it for 1. There we go. So that's just a position difference. So go over here and self dot position equals self dot stuck to 1 dot position 0 plus self dot stuck to 1 0 0. I do the ones. One. So that updates the position. Update position if stuck to entity. So the question is, what do I do with the arrow when the entity dies? I can just delete it, I think. Self.active was true. I'll just use the dead thing again. It was false. If not dead, and then else. Self.dead equals true. I gotta delete the arrow if the thing dies. So I gotta do a bunch of stuff here in the entity manager, wherever that is. So in the update, check for alive. Where's my core funcs thing? Def short thing. List. L return sorted enumerate L reverse equals true. This is the thing I use for removing during iteration. Do I have that? From dot core funcs import. Actually, I'm just gonna call it iter. Wait, is that taken? I don't know if that's used for something else. Hold on. Let us see here. Adam doesn't do a good job of showing me if I'm using a built-in thing. So iter as in ITER is used for something else, but ITR is not. So I can use that one. So gotta go over here, and then I can so I can swap this with just iter instead of doing all that. So I've got, okay, so I'm apparently attaching the whole dead thing here. Where's item? I want to update that to use dead internally. Actually, whatever, I don't care. I'll do it differently for the other ones. So, if p.dead self.friendly projectiles.pop ip in itr, that. And then I'm gonna do it for enemies. I keep hitting the wrong buttons. If enemy.dead self.enemies.pop I. It'd be nice if on impact with an arrow, the enemy had a small knockback added to it. That's the plan. I'm not gonna do that immediately though. Wait. Did they change Chromebooks so that you can actually install stuff now? Or did you like crack it or whatever? Or jailbreak it? It's 4 AM, what are you doing up then? Am I making a game without an engine? Yes. Tips on learning Python. If you haven't learned any Python at all, the book Inventing Games with Python is pretty decent. I don't know if it's by I. Swigart or like Al Swigart. I don't even remember the name very well. It was a font thing. I don't remember if it's AI or AL. 5:30. It's AM. I see you're in the West Coast. What's the difference between I and the enemy? It's used. The function returns 2 values. Well, lists. A list with 2 values. I is just the index, so I can pop it. Anyways, I just wrote a bunch of code. Let's see if it works. The arrows hopefully stick. No, last hit. AI has no attribute last hit. Oh, it's parent. None type. Oops. So that's under arrow. So if it's not set to anything, yeah. Oopsies. It found out. Okay, that needs to account for the height as well. Plus self dot plus self dot stuck to 1 dot height. What the? Oh, I know why. It just did, like, it kept doing damage. So if not self.stuck to, it can't damage when it's stuck to something. That's important. Okay, why is it? Oh my, right, I got that backwards. It's gotta be minus height, because I did it backwards. Okay, I need to figure out what's wrong with that positioning. Did I do this backwards by any chance? There we go, that's what I wanted. Huh, there, it's sticking. So if I hit him with another arrow, he should die. It would be cool if I could apply one more movement, or like this, def move self mount, and then don't need the speed included. So I can do self.move and then take these two. And now I can take this over here, and when it hits something, it needs to go in a little bit. So I wanted to go in, I think 3 pixels might be good. Hello? Is that not enough? Let's just do 30 and see what happens. Is it not calling the move function here? What? Hello? Oh, the stuck. It needs to call the move before the stuck too. That is set, or else it's not gonna have any effect, since it'll just reset the position. Yeah. Arrow, move. Let's do 6. 6 pixels is a lot. I think that's too much. Huh? Okay. Guess that's fine. I think maybe 4.5 is the right amount. Because... yeah, that's that one. But why take 4 hits? It should be 3. Because it's got 30 HP and the arrows do 10 damage. Oh, you know why? Aha, has to be less than, not less than or equal to. Oops. That should be fixed. Yeah, there we go. Gonna have to do visual effects at some point here. So I do want the hit angle to be put in there. So damage, entity, get def, get point, angle, self, target. Oh wait, no, it already does, it already handles both. Nice. So I can just get angle, throw it in there. Enemy dot get angle to the arrow, self dot position, and then it's actually going to be backwards because it's from the enemy to the arrow, so I gotta flip it by... oh wait, no, it's just the angle of the arrow, not the angle to it. That would be wrong. So self.rot, that's it. Now I can add some knockback. So I'm just going to do a very general knockback behavior here, so knockback equals, let's just self mount direction actually process knockback self multiplier. So now I can check this thing. So I can get the angle here. Self dot AI velocity. I need a secondary velocity that's for long-term stuff or alternate effects, because some of the enemies are going to be moving through that AI velocity thing. I need one that's not interrupted. So effect velocity. It's going to do the same thing. Is there a way to like add these? Or is movement. Plus self.ai effect velocity 0. Do this one too. Plus self.ai effect velocity 1. And then this is going to be plus self.ai effect velocity 2. Where's the normalization? Oh, it's done by the AI here. A effect velocity 0 plus equals mass dot sign of self dot parent dot last hit. Is it the first part or the second part? Okay. Could add a force thing in here. Where's the damage thing? So here. Force equals 1.0 minus 1. Force. And self.parent.last hit.angle. If it doesn't have an angle, it shouldn't be processing knockback. Oh wait, no, it's not the angle, it's just 1. So 1 is angle by self.parent.last hit. 2, which is force, by multiplier, and then so angle, yeah, I think that's it. So just gotta do cosine. Cosine is actually for x, sine's for y. And that should be it. So now I can just call the process multiplier here process knockback, not multiplier. And I'll do multiplier of 100. I don't know. I do need to normalize the effect velocity too. So that should have knockback now on the arrows. They didn't jump that high before. They 100% did not. What? How? Why are they jumping so high? What? Is it? I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh. Oops. I did an oopsie here. It's applying gravity. Oopsies. So it's just take that out. So it's just all of them. I think. Slime effect drag. Slime effect drag equals it's gonna be the same drag. No, wait, why is it still? It's still doing it. Why is it doing it? Oopsies. Self.ai effect velocity. Is it the exact same numbers still? That's the real question. Yeah, it's the same thing. Maybe slightly different, but so something in here. I assume AI is aha. Just pulling from the other one. Need a parent. I always forget the parent part. Huh. Okay, I want to... I don't want it to slide that much here. So it is getting knocked around. Definitely want it to get hit a bit harder. Wait. Let's give it a weight of 0.1. So when I do the knockback, I'm gonna divide by the weight so that it increases the knockback if the weight's low. Where did I do knockback? So it's AI. Divide by multiplier needs to be done by AI config. I'm gonna do multiplier equals 1 so I don't even have to. Where does it do this? Oh, it does need it actually. And divide by AI config self.parent.type, and then I gotta grab slime weight. So slime. Wait, no. Oh. Wait, no, that's not right. It's in the other one. So, oops. Is that going to go over into enemies? Wait. 2.1. Divided by AI config self.parent.type. Wait. So I can knock that down now. What? Ah. Slime. Oh, it's not AI config anymore. So this one's gonna be entity data. Getting a bit spaghetti-ish. Needs more drag. Might move some of this out of here later, depending on what's standard for entities. Just one slime just went off the screen there. I need more drag. Because the base arrows need to not knock things back too much. Although I guess the slimes are pretty light. Yeah, I think that's closer to what I want. I missed. Oop. Okay, I'm gonna read chat again. I'm talking about high school. Do you import all your Py files to each other, or does your IDE handle that? What? Why would the IDE do that? No, I do it by hand. All my imports are up here. I don't think any IDE. There might be. It's not a thing I've heard of. Okay, you're just talking to each other again. Okay. So there's combat. I do need to work on the GUI next, and then I can add player health. Well, first I'm gonna do like these special arrows to keep track of them. I think I have an inventory already. I'm just not showing it. So I do need to work on the GUI. So it's just gonna be like up top left. And then, yeah, I need to show how many of the special arrows I have. And then, health. Not sure I want to show health. Because a normal health bar is just kind of boring. Also, should it be a health bar? Or should it be like hearts? That's an important question. I feel like with the whole aesthetic I've got here, hearts might be better. Also, yeah, I think hearts do make sense because with it, even though the first entity I made is a slime, is going to be more bullet hellish. So normally bullet hells, every bullet does the same amount. Normally they kill you, but I can do a heart-based system as well. I think there's actually a bullet hell boss rush game I've been playing recently that I think they've got hearts as well or something like that where every attack does the same amount. I'm not entirely certain on that, but I think that's the case. Why are you talking about Vim? You think I should add traps? I mean, traps just kind of seem annoying. Now traps that are clearly visible and are just places you don't want to step on, and maybe it would be like something you play around and you would try to get the enemies to step on them, maybe. Anyways, Replit. Anyways, okay, I need to do GUI. I think I have images for that. Hold on. Where is my folder? Images. Do I not have... I do have the arrow image itself. Where's the one I use for the items? That's probably the one I want. Item. Aha. So this is probably gonna do for the GUI. Although I don't want to use this specific image. I want to say this as GUI special. Secondary needs to be the weird magenta, and then I need to make this a bit bigger. But didn't I have a sketch of what I wanted the GUI to look like? I think I did. Oh, yep, I did. So we're not gonna use that image. I got a different one here. But I'm gonna put a bit of an outline here. So you don't want this mixing in with everything else. You need to be able to see it. It's kind of important. Should I put another outline of white, maybe? Is that too much? Let's see. I'm not gonna go all the way yet. I'd have to resize the image. But I just want to see how it looks. Maybe? I'll try it for a little bit here. See how it looks in game. Because the issue is the way the colors overlap makes it look funny. I don't like I'm gonna put a point on the end here. The outline shape's looking funny. And put 2 points there. The front end's looking a little bit fat. Not sure how it's gonna show up. I think I do like just the black. We'll see how it looks in game. I have a GUI renderer, I think. Oh, I need to add the text. Oh my eye. GUI. And close everything else, I think, because I'm not going to touch that stuff for a bit. GUI. I do not have a GUI script. Well, I guess it's time to make one. I'm surprised I don't. Well, GUI.py. Class GUI def init self. Game. It needs to access to the assets. Self.game equals game def render self surface. Self.GUI self. From scripts.GUI import GUI, and then self.GUI.render so it's got the surface is rendering to. Now I just need to render things. So I don't remember what the asset's going to show up under. Miscellaneous, I think. So surf.blit self.game.assets miscellaneous images, and it's going to come up as GUI special. And let's just put it at 8. Now it should be visible. Yep, it's there. Okay, it's not quite like it looks like it's part of the game, like game world. It doesn't look like it's part of the GUI, which is a slight issue. Not sure how I resolve that exactly. Hold on. Time for references really quick. So I guess I'm referencing download for that, because visually it's very similar, like color-wise. It's a 3-color palette. It's actually red too. So what download does is it's just the rest of the GUI is placed outside of the game world, so that doesn't overlap because of that, which is smart. Will the game be just black, white, and red? Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I might change my mind halfway through and redo all the assets, but... add a solid color to the background. What I could do... Hold on. Here, wait. Take this. Needs to gonna do this. Good old lines. Good thing I got a background pixel art, because this would have been a headache otherwise. Ah, okay. I'm getting the sleepy eyes. Starting to water. My screen's too bright. So what I can do... Can I just like... What's the best way to do this? Can I just do a diagonal line like this? And then that, and then... Oh wow, look at that. It doesn't fit. Hold on. It should be bigger. Question is, does this look trashy or does this look good? I'm about to find out. And that's no lines. Nope, wait, oh wait, no, it's gotta be able to fit the number too. So, oh. I chopped that off, and I gotta fit a number in here. So, gotta be quite a bit bigger. I think it shouldn't need more than 2 digits. You're not going to have more than... Oh, actually, who knows? Maybe you will... Yeah, you would have hundreds. So 3 digits. How big is 3 digits here? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be wide. So it's like 2 pixel spacing too. So 8 times 3 is 24. Oof. Well, let's sketch the outline here. Okay, so and then I have to have extra space for the whole it should be done from the bottom. So then go from here and go 24 from here. And then I actually probably need to be 26 because I need padding on both sides. I'm gonna give it 2 more pixels as well. And do the other line. This is questionable GUI design. And then this is gonna take so much space on the screen. Oh boy. I'm a little bit concerned. Maybe I shouldn't be using the big numbers. I'm about to find out if I should be. At the very least, it should be visible. My knuckles hurt. Drawing with a mouse hurts. Doesn't look bad. So it should be rendered at 0 though. It's big. Yeah, that's very big. I could add... I don't want to make this fit. I could make the game taller. And... oh boy. Because at this rate it's gonna... oh wait. What I can do... health bar goes on top. On the left goes all of the stats. So, window. I'm gonna need a GUI display. Oh, I'm running straight under the screen. Uh-oh. Self dot final display. Pygame dot surface, and then steal this resolution. So this is going to be the screen I'm rendering onto, and then self dot GUI. Actually, no, it's just offset. So this needs to be rendered to the bottom right. So it's actually going to fill the screen and the final display. And then final display. Self.final display.blit self.screen to self.final display that get wait. Nice. Just that should bind it to the bottom right. Okay, so now I should be able to make this bigger. So if I just do that and that should add 10 pixels on each. Invalid destination for bullet. Excuse me. What is the what did it even get here that's invalid? Why is it 3 numbers? Hold on. Oh, it needs to be a minus, not a comma. So, oops. So yeah, I added some padding there. There we go. What are you talking about? Oh, there's a lot of messages here. I can't read them all. Not sure what you mean by rendering at -10. Okay. Just talking to each other again. I should have more subs. I mean, I think relative to other YouTubers that do what I do, I've gotten pretty lucky. Like for people that make devlogs and tutorials, I'm pretty high up there in terms of subscribers, and it's also very unusual how much of a following I have for my subscriber count. So like, I don't think most of the other people that do what I do can't stream and get 50 viewers, or actually if I stream at peak hours I get like 100 and something, but yeah, I'm pretty well off for what I'm actually doing. Okay, so GUI needs to do onto the GUI surf, which is self.window.final display. Oh, why is that all the way over there? I was in covered. Oh wait. So it needs to be. I need a GUI surf that goes on top. Or wait. Def frame world and self. So this is gonna split before the GUI render. Ooh. Here we go. So there's that. So yeah, health's gonna go on top. There's one on the left. So I'm curious what I can fit here. So I'm trying to pull up the calculator. Wait, 480 is just multiple 4. Is it doing it times 3? So I should be able to go up to 550. Yeah, can. I think I might actually want to fix the GUI so that it takes less space, because there's no way I can fit that whole thing. I don't think I can use the big numbers. I'm gonna have to use the small numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the original design, which was can I just get the there we go. Need that color, shrink, boop, and then boop. boop, boop. And then I can... Oh, I need to do the out one, right? Oh, wait, no, it doesn't need one anymore. So 255. Wait, it's all the way through. Wait. So underline. It's gonna need space for the numbers. I think my other numbers are. I need 3. They're 3 wide. I have like a text font that's 3 pixels. It can go down to 3 pixels wide. So 3 plus 1 for spacing. So 3 digits becomes 12 pixels. So I'm gonna need to give it space there. 12, 14. That's good. So I can go like right there. I think. There we go. That'll do it. What are you guys talking about? Bangladesh? Huh. Okay. Let's see if it fits now. Oh right, yeah, I don't even have to do the black part because people. I just said I didn't have to do it, and then I went and did the other black part. So I can get rid of. Boop, 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 boop. So it doesn't need to be there. So now I just put the numbers next to it, and actually I can put. Ta-da. And then numbers go right here on the right. So I need my text system. Ooh, where did I put it? I have like a bunch of scripts lying around all over the place, and I have to go hunting for them normally. I'm grabbing it off screen though. I think I found the one. I'm just gonna check real quick. Yes, this is the one. So I want this one, that, take those two, and then I can jump over. Here we go. That goes in scripts. This goes in data. So I don't remember exactly how this works. Text. So I just need to initialize it with a path and color. So the color is going to be white. So I can go under my asset manager, and then, well, oh my goodness, can you not spam? I'm in the US. Okay, why is it that I get spammer? Like I like in my last 3 streams I've had people spam. Okay. So, anyways, text. So this needs to go into the assets. So, fonts equal that, and then from .text import text, main text, data fonts small font.png, and it needs to be white, I think. And then I can just do a dot render. I keep forgetting to turn off Steam when I do this stuff. So GUI needs to render a number. So self.game.assets. Fonts main dot render. To let's just put a number. Let's do 456 to surf at 22 15-ish. My goodness. No modular core functions. Oh, it needs to pull from. What's it using from there? Is it using clip? I bet you it's using clip. Oh wait, no, it's not that one. Pretty sure it's just using clip. No, it's got clip. What is it using? Hold on. I forget that these things have dependencies. And I'd never transfer them. Yeah, this is the text script that I use for my devlog project. Wrapper potato. What's in here that it could possibly be using? Swap color. I bet that's what it is. I'm gonna copy that one over here. I'm willing to bet that's it. Swap. Yeah, that's it. And it needs. Does this one have clip? Or do I need to add that one in? Oh, that was in my. I put it in here, didn't I? No? Oh, okay. I'm gonna need clip. Clip. I forgot the formatting on this one's messed up. This was written a long time ago. Back when I didn't use comma. Well, when I didn't use spaces between my commas here. Also, you can see my casing. I don't use that casing anymore either. Do this. And you should have clip. Come on. Cannot import. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, it's font, not text. It's a font. Font. Nope. Pygame doesn't find. Import Pygame. There we go, there's a number. Oh, it's small. I have a scaling thing, I thought. Wait, do I? Uh-oh. Do I not? I don't think I've got scaling. Oopsies. Well, there's a little bit of a secret for that. I can, water spacing, where is it? Uh-huh. I believe I can just double it. Wait, no, hold on. It shouldn't even be doing that. Oh, I know it should be. Right, I do double everything. So actually I can just do it here. Font image equals pygame.transform.scale font image font get width font image get height. I forgot about that. No, that's the exact same thing. Undo that times 2. There we let the GH. Okay. How'd that happen? Oh, I know why. It doesn't like the. Okay. Well, time for a different tactic. So basically, I had like break. Like it uses the format of the PNG file, and when I stretch it, it gets confused. Because like it'll scan horizontally until it sees a pixel of a certain color, and that marks the end of a character. And when I stretch it, that line break becomes 2 characters, and it splits it by 2 characters, and gets very confused. Okay. And do def double render. So self args, and then I can do render. Wait, maybe it's just yeah. So args 1 equals pygame dot surface. Oh, I don't know how big it needs to be. That's an issue. Yikes. Well, I'm just gonna do ×2 on everything here. Hard coding time. Maybe. That sounds like a bad idea. I can just ×2 all of the letters after I click them, that'll do it. Where is it getting the width from? Oh, it's using... So letters, -1 equals pygame.transform.scale. Letters, -1. Letters, -1.get. Now, letter spacing -1 times equals 2. That'll do it. Double. There we go. Finally, the right size. I do need to get it rendering at the right position though. $34 and 18. We're getting there. I think it's 20 and 32. And I got like 1 extra pixel there. I think that's fine though. And I can shorten the final image. No, one. How much can I shorten by? I've got like at least 3 pixels. Probably 4, but I'm gonna do 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can whoop. So what's the number? Now I need to hook up the actual number, well, this to the actual number, which is going to be self.game.entities.players 0.inventory special. Wait, no, I don't. What is it even? Inventory arrow special. Arrow special. I believe I've got the inventory working, so if I collect arrows, it should go up. Crashed. Nice. Oh, it needs to be a string. That's fine. So it's just 0. I think that should be centered, maybe. Alternatively, I could make the second part stretch to fit. It should be fine for now. I'll make it stretch to fit later. Oh, this border here is confusing. Hold on. How should I do this? Pygame that draw that line. Surf. No, it needs to come from the window. Self.final display. Pygame draw that line. Self.final display. And the color is gonna be white. This position -1 and 0, and do it again and go for the height. Anyway, no. Self.final display.get height. There we go, I got my line. Is that 1 pixel or 2? Is that not scaling right? That's not right. How's that thing scaling? What? Oh yeah, it needs to be 2. I forget, everything's like... it needs to be 1 to the left. Ooh. Ah. It's bent. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. And now I should be able to collect these and like... Arrow count goes up. So those are my special arrows. They're gonna be, it's going to be dependent on the bow I have, what they do. Different weapons... Wait, no. Sorry. I was mixing these up. It's going to be based on cards I play. It's like, different cards enhance different arrows. It's like you'll have 3 types of arrows. Your primary ones, which you just have infinite of. Secondary ones, which are ones you primarily have to collect. And then there's going to be ultimate arrows, those are super powerful and they're going to be rare. And they'll do, like, they'll have much more powerful skills. Yeah. So, what is my, oh, my mouse position is not correct. I need to update that. That's an input. Self.mouse equals wait, 0 plus equals self dot well, time to pass the game to the input manager as well. Everything needs access to the entire game. Oopsies. Self.game equals game. Self.mouse 0 plus equals, and it's going to be the difference of the sizes. So self.game.window.final display.get width minus self doing height now. It should be accurate. Oh wait, no, it's minus equals. Oopsies. Okay. Mouse equals self.mouse 0 minus, and then those two. Self.mouse 1 minus, and these ones. It's a tough one, right? Not always. There we go. That is not where I'm aiming. Why? That one's correct. Where does it think I'm aiming? That's the real question. So it's like the... Oh, did it... Wait, what did I do wrong here? Here's my 0, 1... I'm gonna read chat real quick again. Why is it? I really shouldn't need a moderator with like 50 viewers. Probably the guy that I'd probably just like that one guy has multiple accounts. I'll try some of them. Also, by the way, from my understanding, dislikes count as engagement just as much as likes, so it actually doesn't matter if you like or dislike, it does the same thing to YouTube. That's why some YouTubers will tell you to like the video if you like it, dislike it if you don't, because it helps them either way. Okay, so what? So what did I do wrong here? Minus the difference. I should be right. Hold on. I'm gonna just render the position here. So just like. That's set at self.input.mouse. And then yellow. Where is it? Oh, oops. That needs to go before the nothing. So it's way off to the right there. It's off by how big the GUI is. You can see if I go all the way here to the left, it's actually placed properly. So I just need to... It should be subtracting. Wait, I am subtracting. That did absolutely nothing? What? Hold on. How am I getting nothing from that? I'm getting 2 values. How is it that it doesn't matter what I do here? It should. So it's like so yeah, it's changing, and then not sure why everything else is saying something different. So let's wait a second. Oh, I know why. Yeah, it is correct. It's just showing my cursor at the wrong spot. So self.mouse true equals self.mouse, and then I can do the other one. But I have to down here, wait, in the window, use true. So there we go. So that's working. I just need to remove that little dot I added. How do you fix lag? I have a video on optimization. I need to make it so that you can't hit the slime while it's in the air. Where's my... I need to go to the arrow code for that, so it's if enemy.height is less than... I'm gonna give like a little bit of a grace period. So I just saw it jump over there. Yeah, it jumped over again. So that's working properly now. And go collect some arrows. Should probably make the collection time a little bit faster. I should probably also add physics to these arrows so they don't just go into the wall like when I pick them up from chests. Anyways, wait, can you use Pygame to make games on Android? Yes. I don't do it though, I'm gonna have to look it up. But yeah, I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna end the stream here. Bye.